So what's up? Today I found a Wagyu, but it's not an actual Wagyu. Found that in the market today and I made this dish using that beef. My name's Jed and I'm a cook, and yeah, I cook for fun. Check this out, and if you want to see how I did it, check out this video and I'll teach you how I did it. So yeah, today I went to the Nation. It's like an Asian store where I can find more goods because, you know, I live in Canada and it's kind of hard to purchase Asian stuff in here. So in order to get to the Asian stores, I have to drive 30 minutes away from my house and I have to go to the highway. So that's what I did. Start planning and I just start grabbing my stuff, and I thought of like filming it too. So yeah, I'm just like driving and filming. So you guys can see how I film is. It's kind of dangerous to do this, right? Don't do this at home. Then when we get to the Asian store, I'm starting to grab something that I want to cook, right? The first thing I thought is a black chicken. Because I made this black pasta in the last video, so I thought of like making another, you know, any black items, right? I started to grab more stuff, right? And I actually find this Kobe beef. It looks like a Wagyu to me. Right, by looking at it, it just looks like quality. And it already said in the pack, right? It's a quality beef, costs too much. I'm really curious because I always want to work with the high quality meat. So I went home and purchased that thing. Then I went to a restaurant and started cooking. So yeah, I had a hard time thinking what to do with this Kobe beef. I did watch a lot of video, I did a lot of research, like what people do with it, right? And like most people, they just really sear the beef, right? Like for a short time. This kind of beef is not exactly the Wagyu, but it's a type of a Wagyu. And if you will compare it to the Wagyu, of course Wagyu has more fats and it's more marbling compared to this. This one is kind of like the second class. Alright, so when I went to the supermarket, I just saw this and I was intrigued, right? I always want to get a Wagyu beef and I always want to play with it, or at least cook it. All you have to do is defrost it, right? Put it in room temperature, season it. Hiya! I did a mushroom sauce for the beef because mushroom sauce is my favorite and it does go well with the steak. Don't mind my hand because I just got it, okay? F you too. I did just cut in onions, mushrooms, right? Some people really put onions with their mushroom sauce, some people don't. Let's don't just argue on that here. If you want to argue with that, go on Twitter. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is searing the steak. Steak in. After a short time, I just pulled it out, and really, I don't really want to cook this fully because I'm gonna destroy the beef. Now all I need to do is just rest it. I did my mushroom sauces. I started with the steak. I used the same pan to make the sauce. Starting from oil or butter, fry the onion first and the mushroom. Right, once you see it starting to get the different color or the texture is changing, it means it's getting cooked. Tastes different. And finally add our cream. Right, not a lot. And same thing with the pasta I showed you, is we're just gonna reduce it. Right, I put it in a small plate and that's gonna go here. Perfect. Alright, so what I want to do to finish this is just green onions and some in here. Here's the final product. Alright, it's really beautiful, I think, and it's really easy to do. Just sear it a bit from side to side, and there you go. Plus, it's really easy too once you realize how to, you know, reduce the fat, and all you have to do is cook the mushroom and onions, right? So the reason why I did this is I just really want to try this Kobe beef, right? And I'm really curious what's gonna happen. Follow this recipe, it's really simple, really. Anyone can do this, and really. Well, I mean, the sauce I made is really good. I mean, it does work with this Wagyu, yeah. If you find this one day, feel free to make your own recipe. Hopefully you follow me and subscribe. Also, you feel free to decide what you want me to cook next, or what kind of food you want me to buy and cook it here. That's everything. My name is Jet, and goodbye.